Okay.
Mag-smile ka naman dyan. Ano to? Seryosong barista? How many grams for double cream?
For double cream.
By the way, you're making what?
Cappuccino.
Okay. Ganyan yung pag-i-steam. Dapat walang ingay. Yan yung proper steaming. Kasi pag may ingay, para kang nagpapalipad ng eroplano. 'Di ba? Tama, mali? Oo nga! Dapat pag nag-steam ka, hindi sasayad yung nozzle dun sa, sa picture mo. Gusto ko unicorn. Don't tell that you don't know.
Next time, I just make truly.
Why you need to swirl?
You need to blend your coffee.
Together with the?
With the milk.
Yeah.
Sure.
Arte. Smile ka naman dyan. Dapat Wow naman! Galing-galing naman ni Jeffrey!
No.